Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on Facebook app. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You want to click on it. Then when you're on the settings menu, you want to click on the gear icon on the top right corner. When you launch the settings and privacy menu, you want to slowly scroll down to the section under preferences. When you're at preferences, you want to click on the last option, which is dark mode. When you're at the dark mode, you have two options. You can first of all manually change the dark mode from on to off, but you can also match the theme that you currently have on the phone. Currently I'm using iPhone, and my theme, as you can see over here, when I click the system, it's dark theme. So this simply means that it will be much easier for every app that you're using to match the theme that you have on your phone. In my case, I have a dark theme on my phone, and the Facebook app will match my theme. This is very important, and this is very good for your health, especially for your eyes, because when you change from bright to dark theme, and when you do this in the milliseconds, you're switching from one app to another, it's simply not good adjusting the contrast to your vision. So in my opinion, guys, it will be much better for you simply to go ahead and align all of the apps having the same exact theme. So it will be much easier for you to switch from one account to another. In the next video, I am going to show you how to do the same thing on TikTok and Instagram as well. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.